Have you ever brushed your dog and spotted tiny black dots clinging to their fur, making your heart skip a beat? Those are ticks, and ignoring them can lead to serious health problems for your furry friend. Today, I'm going to show you how to groom your dog, remove ticks safely, and even make a homemade tick spray that really works. Let's start with the basics. Grooming isn't just about keeping your dog looking cute. It's a vital health check. When you brush your dog, you're inspecting their skin, finding hidden ticks, and preventing mats and tangles where parasites love to hide. Always brush gently, section by section, and check especially behind the ears, under the legs, and around the tail. Now, about ticks. They're small bloodsuckers that can transmit dangerous diseases like Lyme disease and ehrlichiosis. Here's a tip many owners don't know. Never crush the tick with your fingers. That can increase the risk of infection. The safest way is to use fine-tipped tweezers or a tick removal tool. Grasp the tick as close to the skin as possible and pull it straight out, steadily. No twisting, no jerking. Once removed, disinfect the area with antiseptic or iodine. And wash your hands. Some people like to drop the tick into a small container of rubbing alcohol. It's a simple way to make sure it doesn't come back. Now, here's a game changer: homemade tick spray. You don't need harsh chemicals to protect your dog. Here's a simple recipe you can make at home. 1 cup of distilled water, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, a few drops of lavender or eucalyptus essential oil. These repel ticks naturally. Optional: 1 teaspoon of neem oil for extra protection. Mix everything in a spray bottle, shake well, and spray lightly on your dog's fur, avoiding eyes, nose, and mouth. This natural spray not only repels ticks, but also leaves your dog smelling fresh. For best results, use it after grooming, before going outside, or during tick season. Regular baths with tick repellent or medicated shampoos also help. Focus on scrubbing the hidden spots where ticks like to attach: ears, underarms, belly, and tail. For long-haired dogs, a fine-tooth comb is essential to spot tiny ticks that brushing might miss. But prevention isn't only about your dog. It's about their environment too. Keep your yard trimmed, remove tall grass, and consider vet-approved topical preventatives or tick collars. A combination of grooming, natural sprays, and environmental care is the most effective protection. Some dogs get nervous during grooming, especially when dealing with ticks. Here's a tip: break the session into short intervals and reward your dog with treats and praise. Grooming should feel like a fun bonding time, not a stressful chore. And if you ever find a tick you can't remove completely, don't panic. Check for redness or swelling and consult your veterinarian. They can ensure it's fully removed and recommend preventive treatments. A little extra step that makes a big difference: keep a tick log. Note when and where you find ticks. This helps track high-risk areas and improves prevention over time. Remember, grooming isn't just cosmetic. It's a health check, a bonding session, and your dog's best protection against ticks. Combine careful grooming, safe tick removal, and natural remedies like homemade sprays, and your dog will stay healthy, happy, and tick-free. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, because your dog deserves the best care, and every click helps bring more tips to pet owners like you.